Nashi's house. And then Callie going, what you doing? Daddy. I know. Yes. You gotta look at the house she got. Where's yours? You got the big house in here. She don't come in the house. She won't even let us touch her. I know. Snort. She loves it. She loves to play and get aggravated. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ow, you got a sharp one. What's the snorting for? Hmm? I don't know if you can hear her snorting. Ooh, that's a hiss. Come on, you snorter. Snorting kitty. Snorting kitty. You hit her. Ow. You love it, don't you? Little. Come on. Snorty, the snorty, the snorty. The snorting piglet kitty. Can't hear it with all that. Ooh. Oh. He's so cute. Where's your house?
And that color is actually going to go really good with that.
Now remember, it's more like the top piece there, you see. That's cedar. The top is more like the pine. Actually, that's cedar too.